Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have our first baby upgrade on the XMR 1000. It's the Yeti Sidekick dry 1 liter. Kind of comes like this. I see guys putting these on all the time and they go up to a 3 liter, which seems a little huge for me, but very cool bag. Just a waterproof rubber. Has a double flap strap Velcro situation going on. Very cool. We're gonna see how we can mount this, do a quick mounting video, and get our first upgrade done on the 4-wheeler. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of the bag itself. Very nice. Like I said, the material is pretty cool. If I can get it open with one hand. It's hard to open. Seems like it's definitely waterproof. Should hold a little good amount of gear. I'm wearing the Timberland Supreme hoodie. You could pick it up on StockX. I'm gonna try to start linking the StockX links in the descriptions so you guys can take a look, and if you want to pick it up, pretty cool, heavy duty. Supreme's known for their very heavy, thick hoodies. Fits good, looks good. I like it. The black, it's got the reflective logo on the back. You can see that the stitching is nearly perfect. That's how you can tell if it's real or not most of the time. Enough about the hoodie. Let's go install the Yeti Sidekick dry 1 liter. See how we go. So we're here in the garage. As you can see, we have the machine behind us. We have the Yeti bag ready to go. Let's see what it takes to actually get this bad boy mounted on our machine once and for all. Our first baby upgrade. Looks like there's just a little Velcro. And this is what you get. The Sidekick dry 1 liter. Kind of a better view. Has the Velcro and then another magnetic closure. Feels waterproof on the inside and the outside. I don't think anything will get in there in the mud. It doesn't look like it's gonna just strap right on. Definitely not. Let's figure out how we're gonna get this bad boy on there. It does have 2 little slots here. Let's hop on and see what it takes. So we want to kind of get it to sit straight, I guess. I don't know if the Velcro will reach. So I'm just going to try to catch as much Velcro on both sides as I can, while also keeping it tight and centered. I mean, I don't think that's gonna go anywhere. I'll post a link to this bag in the descriptions if you guys want to pick it up. It's on Amazon, pretty easy to get. So it looks pretty good, very centered. It's on there pretty good. I'm sure if you ripped it off it will come off, but that thing's not going anywhere. The only storage you really get on this machine is this little area, and it barely fits your cell phone. There's literally no other storage on this thing at all. So to add this, I think is very cool. You can at least fit your wallet, keys, anything you really have to take with you on the go. Make sure it's waterproof. It's pretty much airtight right now. Gotta love it. Our first baby edition. Stay tuned for more. Thank you guys for watching. Peace, blessings, and positivity. Hit that like and subscribe button. Follow. Let's keep on building. Have some fun.